Welcome to Amara's Good Stuff, where curiosity leads the way and wonder never gets old. Today, we're heading into the rivers and wetlands of Africa to meet one of the most massive, mysterious, and surprisingly stealthy animals on the planet. It yawns wide, lounges low, and rules the water with quiet force. Let's explore hippos. Hippopotamuses, whose name means river horse, are the third largest land mammals after elephants and rhinos. Adult males can weigh up to 4,000 pounds, yet they move gracefully through water, often walking along the riverbed rather than swimming. Their bodies are built for buoyancy, with dense bones and powerful muscles that help them glide and bob through their aquatic world. Hippos spend most of their day submerged in rivers, lakes, or swamps to stay cool. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils sit high on their heads, allowing them to breathe and observe while nearly fully underwater. At night, they emerge to graze on grass, sometimes traveling miles from the water to find food. Despite their round, sleepy appearance, hippos are surprisingly fast and territorial. On land, they can run up to 20 miles per hour. In water, they're agile and aggressive, especially when protecting their young or defending their space. Their jaws can open nearly 180 degrees, and their bite force is among the strongest of any animal. Hippos communicate with grunts, bellows, and even underwater squeaks. They mark territory with dung-spraying rituals and often engage in social interactions like mock fights or synchronized yawning. Groups of hippos are called pods, bloats, or herds, and they often include a dominant male, several females, and their calves. Baby hippos are born underwater and quickly learn to surface for air. Mothers are fiercely protective, keeping their calves close and shielding them from threats. Calves nurse underwater and begin grazing alongside adults within a few weeks. Hippos play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their movements stir up riverbeds, redistributing nutrients and supporting fish populations. Their dung fertilizes aquatic plants, and their grazing helps shape grassland habitats. But hippos face challenges too: habitat loss, human conflict, and poaching for ivory-like teeth have put pressure on wild populations. Conservation efforts focus on protecting waterways, reducing human-wildlife conflict, and educating communities about coexistence. Hippos remind us that power doesn't always roar, it can lurk quietly beneath the surface. They're guardians of the river, balancing strength with serenity, and shaping the landscape with every step and splash. Thanks for exploring with me on Amira's Good Stuff, where the world, the ocean, and the stars are always waiting for you. Until next time, keep wondering.